Hey Nashville, let us get the viral fruit dessert from El Medina. It's like an international market here in Antioch. It's located in Bell Road. And let's go. Alright guys, we got the fruit! Oh my gosh, the viral fruit. And I've been wanting to try this for the longest. So it comes in a brown bag. And it comes in like clear containers like these. So we have the strawberry flavor, which I'll take it out in a minute. We have this banana flavor or banana ice cream. I don't know if I will be able to eat everything, but I only bought 4. We have this apple, green apple, and then we also have a mango. So I'm gonna try the mango one first. I love mango. I've been wanting to try this for the longest. It smells like chocolate, most definitely. Look at this, it's so cute. Look at this, mango. So we're trying the mango. But that mango one was not bad. I could taste mango for sure. I could taste the mango for sure. I'm assuming they're chocolate because they all smell like chocolate. Okay, so this is supposed to be an apple. Can you guys see that? Look at the details. An apple, y'all. So here we go. I'm gonna get it from the top. Get it from the top. My jaw is so small for this. Cut the inside. Okay, green apple. Here. I have to remove the coating off of it just so I can eat the middle.